Do you ever find yourself daydreaming about the life you wish you had? Well, guess what? You are not alone. In fact, the people who dream big have a different kind of life than those who don't dream. They have a vision that fuels their passion, and they never give up on it. They know that dreams require sacrifices, like giving up a car to take the bus or cutting back on expenses. But when you have a dream, it's worth it. Every single person who is chasing their dreams has those voices in their head, whether it's fear or anxiety. But that's just part of the human experience. The key is to stop downgrading your dream to fit your reality and start upgrading your conviction to match your destiny. On the other side of your struggle is something good, something better, some sort of success. So why would you waste one second doing something that wasn't progressing your dream? Go after this thing called life and don't look back with regrets. Your dream will cause you to go insane because what you want, it hunts you every single night. And while the big dogs won't give you the opportunity, you're going to have to take it. Remember your destination. You don't realize your dreams are so important because your DNA, who you are as a person, is wrapped up in your dreams. Be the example for the crazy dreamers in this world. Make a declaration that this is what you stand for. You're standing up for your dreams, your peace of mind, and your health. What you want exists, so don't settle until you get it. Use guilt as your fuel. Start feeling guilty when you're not achieving or striving towards your dream. Use the people that doubted your dream as motivation when your dreams are dying and when you don't have enough strength to go on. Stop the procrastination. Let go of your limitations. It's difficult to follow your dreams, but it's even worse if you don't. You have to find a way to build your own dream, or someone else will hire you to build theirs. The time is going to pass anyway, so don't give up on your dream just because of the amount of time it takes to accomplish it. Believe wholeheartedly that it's going to happen, and when you do, there's no need to call it a dream. Every person that did incredible things in this world had to dream big. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Create it. You are your only limit, and your potential is endless. Believe you can, and you're halfway there.